So without a doubt, at some point in your dev career, you're going to need to make a triangle using some CSS, like this one here on the tooltip bubble. So I want to show you how to easily make one. So we already have a div for the tooltip, the bubble of text, and then a div above that we want to style like a triangle pointing up. In the CSS, we already have styles for the tooltip and the bubble, very basic ones. We've also got a selector ready for the arrow. Now to make a triangle shape, we want to set the width and the height to be 0 for both, and the shape itself will be made only using borders. So to do this, we style 3 of the 4 borders, and as a rule, whichever way you want the triangle to be pointing, you don't style that border, just the other 3. So the first border that we style is the opposite border to where the triangle should be pointing. We want it to point up, so we style the border bottom first. So give it a width, you can make this whatever you want, the bigger the value, the bigger the triangle. I set it to 10 pixels. Then say solid and pick a colour for the triangle, in our case it's green like the bubble. Now the other 2 borders, left and right, we need to style as well, but this time we want them to be transparent so we don't see them. Their only job is to kind of push in against the bottom border to make it triangular. But they have to be the same width as the bottom one. And that's it. This makes a triangle. Now I'm just going to use the calc function to give it a margin left so it sits in the middle of the bubble as well. And now in the browser we can see that triangle. Awesome.